Hello everyone. The University of the West Indies Cayville campus joins the local and regional community in seeking to manage and mitigate the challenges posed by the presence of the coronavirus to the campus and the country. This is an unprecedented event in response to the announcement by the government of Barbados of the presence of COVID-19. The University of the West Indies Cayville campus has suspended all face-to-face classes from March 18th until April 3rd. Classes will resume with online teaching on April 6th. We are using the period to ensure that all members of faculty are prepared to resume teaching online and to plan the eventual examination formats we will use. Between March 18th to April 6th, there will be some online teaching, as some classes were already being delivered in that mode. Campus administration has been planning for the possible occurrence of COVID-19 in Barbados even prior to this week's confirmation of the first cases of COVID-19. Our overall preparations began in January this year, when a management team held regular meetings to ensure the health, safety, and well-being of our software engineering students in Suzhou, China. Those students were the first among our student body to confront the spread of this dangerous outbreak. As we witnessed those preparations, we started to plan for what would be required as we observed the spread of COVID-19 across the globe. We wanted to complete as much of the semester as possible before the presence of COVID-19 in the country. We knew that once this occurred, there were many adjustments we would have to make immediately to protect the health and well-being of our students, staff, and members of the public using the campus. I wish to assure you, my administration is concerned about the health and well-being of all members of our campus community. Even before the announcement of the first 2 cases in Barbados, we had instituted a number of protocols and procedures on campus. These include a massive public information campaign stressing good hygiene, especially frequent hand washing and social distancing. Our emergency response plan to mitigate against the spread of COVID-19 is in alignment with government's own plans, and we have ensured our own phases of execution are in sync with those of the government of Barbados. So let me provide you with an update on the operations of the campus. First, we are now transitioning to the online delivery of classes, and a campus continuation committee for online teaching has been appointed to facilitate this process. It will ensure that all members of our faculty who need training in online teaching are so equipped. Second, we are seeking to ensure that all our students have access to the technology to receive online instruction. Third, all classroom, lecture rooms, and teaching spaces are closed. But listen to the fourth measure. We have kept libraries, laboratories, and study spaces open, including the Graduate Studies building. But we have advised students to practice social distancing and not be in any groups more than 20. And even if you're in a group of just 5, to still practice social distancing. That is, keeping at least 6 feet apart from each other. The fifth measure, we have canceled summer school. We will make provisions for students who are eligible for receipts, supplementals, or other examination procedures to have those during what would have been our summer period. The sixth measure, semester 2 coursework and final assessments will be rescheduled, and the university will announce in due course how these examinations will be administered. I want to reinforce that the semester 2 coursework and examinations will be rescheduled. Completed coursework is not cancelled, so you have to bear that in mind. The seventh measure, regional and international students who wish to leave the campus due to concerns regarding COVID-19 are permitted to do so. All students leaving must fill out a leave of absence form, which in no way penalizes the student. That form enables us to be in touch with the students and have a record of their absence. All students who have left and have filled out a leave of absence form will receive updates on all future campus developments, but please fill out the form so that we know where you are and the reason why you left. I wish now to thank the Guild of Students and the general student body for their understanding and cooperation. The Guild has indicated that they fully understand our efforts and the challenges that we face. As part of a wider UWI framework, the Cavell campus is working through approved formats for our examinations. We have to remember this is an unprecedented situation. We have to consider the multiple conditions affecting the examination process, our student body, and very critically, the integrity and quality assurance standards we maintain when we issue a UWI degree. Our final formats will be approved by the University of the West Indies Board for Undergraduate Studies. What I can assure you is that when those examinations take place, the campus will be satisfied that it has put all measures in place to ensure the integrity of the University of the West Indies degree that is awarded. We urge students who remain on the campus to bear in mind that they should not congregate in groups of more than 20. I have to repeat that because that is critical in terms of preventing the spread. Individuals should always maintain social distancing. That is, they should remain at least 6 feet apart. In closing, I wish to reinforce for our students and staff that the Cavell campus is working in your best interest. Internally, we have put in place a suite of measures to protect everyone's well-being. We will provide timely updates aligned with changes and guidelines by the National Health Protocols of Barbados. We urge everyone to remain calm and to continue to take all the necessary precautions as advised by the Ministry of Health and Wellness to ensure your health and safety. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all the staff of the Cavell campus, all the staff, irrespective of what you do, whether you lecture or you help maintain the campus, whatever department you work in, whatever services you offer the campus, I want to thank you for rallying as part of the team that is ensuring the continuity of operations, the care of our students, and our care of each other as we ensure that we pull through this situation. The University of the West Indies Cavell campus is greater than any of the challenges it faces, and we will not be defined by them. We refuse to be defined by them. We will get beyond COVID-19. Please join us in achieving the best possible outcome for all our students and all our staff. I thank you.